last story was written by...
My name's Allison. My name's Kevin. My name's Charlie. My name's Pepper. My name is Alex. And this is our story!
All right. And it's called The Jerry Population.
My name is Jerry and I live in outer space, here on a mountainside on Pluto. Living on Pluto, there is not a lot to do, but when I can, I catch a ram and I try to clean its back. Ready to attack, he's a bad man. I'm not a monster, I just like to keep things clean. And it's so lonely here on Pluto. This one's Harry, this one's Carrie, this one's Timothy. I love to wash their tiny backs, and look, I came prepared. All of us are scared of the bad man. Pluto is rocky, Pluto is freezing, the miniature rams just want to fight. I want people, I need people, and it's gonna be alright. 'Cause when I invade the earth, I'm gonna steal all the people. They're not prepared for the Jerry invasion. The Jerry invasion. We'll build a city way up high, a flying city in the sky, and we'll call ourselves the Jerry population. Whoa, 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 get ready for the Jerry population. First thing I need to do is make an order array, so everyone will follow orders. Come here, Harry, come here, Carrie, come here, Timothy. When I flip this little switch, they'll do just what I say. We will not obey, he's a bad man. Oh no, the ray is making the rams go crazy. Whoops, my bad. No worries, I'll just make a reverse switch. Try the whole thing over again. Okie doke, here we go. Get me some apples! That's right, Jerry's in charge now. Get me a space phone! Get me some iron and make me a spaceship! All right, Rams, let's get in this spaceship and go. Oh, and by the way, we're gonna sing the chorus again, and you will sing along. And a 1, and a 2, and a 1, 2, 3. When we invade the earth, we're gonna steal all the people. They're not prepared for the Jerry invasion. The Jerry invasion. And we'll build a city way up high, a flying city in the sky, and we'll call ourselves the Jerry population. Whoa, 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 get ready for the Jerry population. We'll build the Jerry Empire here in Mexico. Hey, and don't forget to make it fancy. Build it, Harry. Build it, Carrie. Build it, Timothy. And all you people of Earth, you're mine now. Come to my city, live in my city, stay with me every day and night. I want people, I need people, and it's gonna be alright. 'Cause high up above the earth, Jerry and all